The hidden strength. Jacob had always been an ordinary man. He had a stable job, a comfortable home, and a quiet life. But deep down, he always felt like something was missing. He would watch others take risks, chase their dreams, and achieve incredible feats while he remained on the sidelines, unsure of how to move forward in his own life. One evening, while walking home from work, Jacob noticed a small, worn-out bookshop he had never seen before. The door creaked as he stepped inside, and the smell of old paper filled the air. As he wandered through the narrow aisles, a small book caught his attention. Its title, The Strength Within, seemed to call to him. He purchased the book and, that night, began reading. It was about ordinary people who overcame extraordinary challenges. The book spoke of failure, resilience, and the power of pushing through even when the odds seemed insurmountable. As Jacob read on, he realized something powerful. Each person's story wasn't about success alone. It was about the courage to face fear, to keep going when the world said no, and to trust that every small step forward was part of something greater. The next morning, Jacob made a decision. He would no longer wait for life to hand him opportunities. He would create his own. He enrolled in a course to learn something new, started practicing a hobby he had long ignored, and made a commitment to take small steps every day toward something that excited him. At first, it wasn't easy. There were moments of doubt, times when he felt like giving up. But Jacob remembered the stories from the book. He reminded himself that strength wasn't about never failing. It was about continuing, no matter how difficult the journey. Months later, Jacob had built new skills, met new people, and gained confidence he never knew he had. He had transformed his life, not through grand gestures, but through consistency, determination, and the belief that the strength to change was already inside him. One day, as he stood on a mountain trail, looking out at the horizon, Jacob smiled. He realized that the greatest journey wasn't the one that took him the furthest. It was the one that led him back to himself. I hope this story motivates you. Let me know if you'd like another or if you need anything else.